Imperial World School U-16 Futsal Tournament Season 2 kicked off on Wednesday with a grand opening ceremony at Imperial World School. The tournament has brought together 12 schools to promote sportsmanship, teamwork, discipline, and healthy competition among young athletes. The tournament was formally inaugurated by Nabin Nupane, head coach of the Nepal women's national football team, who attended as the chief guest. The ceremony was attended by school leaders, teachers, coaches, players, and invited guests. Principal of Imperial World School, 𝐊𝐤𝐜𝐤 𝐼WS welcomed the participating teams and emphasized the vital role of sports in students' overall development. She encouraged the young athletes to compete with discipline, respect, and true sportsmanship throughout the tournament.
All our students to the opening ceremony of the Inter-School Futsal Tournament of Imperial World School. Well, on behalf of our entire school community, I would like to extend a heartfelt welcome and sincere gratitude to each participating school. Your presence reflects the spirit of friendship and collaboration and definitely a healthy competition that schools especially wish to foster most of the time. We are truly honored to have you all here.
Following the inauguration, the Day 1 fixtures commenced with exciting and competitive matches, as participating teams displayed impressive football skills, determination, teamwork, and exemplary sportsmanship, setting an energetic tone for the tournament. The IWS U-16 Futsal Tournament continues to serve as an excellent platform for young footballers to showcase their talent, build confidence, develop leadership qualities, and foster lasting friendships through sport. With enthusiastic participation from all 12 schools, the tournament promises several days of thrilling matches and memorable sporting moments.